Upgrade your driving experience with the Imagebon M70 Dashcam from AliExpress. This advanced car DVR combines cutting-edge technology with convenience. Featuring a large 11.4-inch IPS touchscreen with QLED display at 1920 by 720 resolution, it delivers crystal-clear visuals for navigation and entertainment. Powered by an 8-core processor with 2 A75 and 6 A55 cores running at 1.6 GHz, and Android 14 system, you can enjoy smooth performance and access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, Google Maps, and more. Stay connected on the road with 4G LTE support and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto for hands-free control. The split-screen function lets you multitask easily, combining maps with music or video for a smarter drive. With remote live monitoring through CarKeeper, you can check your car anytime, anywhere. Safety comes first with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure and collision warnings. Dual AHD 1080p cameras with 170-degree wide-angle lenses capture every detail, while loop recording and 24-hour parking monitoring keep your vehicle secure. The Imagebon M70 Dashcam is the ultimate combination of technology and safety. Order now from AliExpress and transform your car into a smart driving hub.